Congratulations, Prof. Neal Chung, on your recent award for the Presidential Technology Medal. I've known you a while, but I just want to read the citation and then ask you two questions. This video is one in a series that we're filming to show the diversity in NUS in energy, environment, and sustainability.
Yeah.
So your citation states that you're getting this Presidential Technology Award for your outstanding research work on various novel membrane technologies, especially for water treatment, that have shown significant potential to make desalination more energy efficient and environmentally friendly, and that have helped to establish Singapore as a leading research center for water research. And clearly I know the Lux Research Report that puts NUS at the top and you at the top of NUS. So, my two questions are very simple. You and I both came from industry. I'm a professor of practice, you are a truly functioning researcher here. What were the main challenges you faced making that move, if there were any at all, from industry to...
the major challenge is U.S. society is more open. Here is very close. So the mentality had to change. Okay. In other words, in the U.S., everything's open.
Yeah. Okay.
And here is very close. And in the U.S., we don't have network. But when we join Singapore, we don't have network either. But the local people has a network.
Yeah.
So we are in the downside. Okay. So it's very difficult for foreigner to survive in the first 10 years.
Okay.
But after 10 years, you know the
You're
system.
now local.
You become local. You know how to survive.
Right. You have really thrived and made a name for yourself and also for your students. I'll be interviewing two of your students to get their feedback on why they got excited working with Neal Chung. So now, when I look over your academic portfolio, I'm truly impressed. Most of my work was really on dialysis, electrochemical operations, and filtration. But you have taken filtration in all its wonder, from RO systems, from to nano, micro, ultrafiltration. And now you ventured into forward osmosis as also PRO. Given this broad spectrum, and I know scientists and engineers don't really like to project into the future, for contributions to society, and I don't mean just economic, which of these areas do you see as as closest to the marketplace?
Of course, water is first, okay? And the recent NRF-CRP is organic solvent recovery.
Okay.
But on the other hand, I think one area we miss in Singapore is the petrochemical industry.
Explain that.
Okay. For example, many petrochemical industry like C3 separation, paraffin, okay, and propylene separation, yeah, very energy intensive. Okay, and in fact, we should find membrane to repress distillation.
Okay. So membrane-aided distillation.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what I consider, I already work on membrane for water, membrane for CO2 capture, and membrane for organic solvent right now. Okay, but I think another one is membrane for petrochemical industry, C3 separation. I think this is the next phase. I would like to get another one, NRF-CRP. Okay.
Fantastic.
Okay.
Now, here I'm going to now ask the tough question, and it may be related to the earlier difficulties that you have. We both came from the U.S., and in the U.S., the corporations, the multinationals and all that, actually do allocate a lot of budgets for both basic research as well as useful research. But when I approach the local companies in Singapore, it's as if their patience for research, unlike government funding, and you correctly pointed out NRF has been a very good supporter, but I don't see the local companies spending much money on these types of research. So beyond getting NRF-CRP, Would you be approaching the Jurong Island companies, or would you have to approach their parents overseas?
Okay, I usually approach the parent of overseas. I have a large grant from BAS, and I also get some local grant, Merck, okay, Hyflux, and Eastman Chemical. I will get another one, and I also get another large one from Procter Gamble. But what I want to say is that the local company has been spoiled by the government. They really don't like to give a lot of money to research. Okay, and so that's why most of my grant is from foreign company. Okay, from overseas. I have to go to overseas to convince them. Okay, but they are willing to give because Singapore has a very good facility, government support research, and large grant, which most professors in the U.S. cannot get.
Right.
Okay, so we put so much investment, and so foreign companies are very appreciative. Somewhat the local company, my view is has been spoiled.
Yes, and I think we both read the tea leaves the same way. Singapore government has put a lot of money into basic research. I want to summarize, tell me if I'm wrong. Yet when you have to do the innovative research into the marketplace, you tend to go to the parent companies of the local companies here because the local ones are too excited about making money. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
And I see that the future now is in petrochemical separator. Thank you.
Thank you.